want that arm to look like that center stick, or like that. You always want it.
What you're basically saying is everything needs to be level at everything when the sticks are centered.
Yep. We're making a bunch of 90-degree angles here. Bell cranks 90 here, 90 degrees here.
Now, in terms of radio settings, when you're doing that, I'm assuming, you know, zero sub trim.
Radio settings haven't changed anything.
Right.
This is still a very default program. Unless you put sub trim in there, then that's fine. But,
So you're talking a mechanical setup.
mechanical setup. We're only a mechanical setup right now. So your arms look pretty good there. Maybe a couple millimeters off, but again, that's, we're not going to get it super anal here. Okay. And last but not least, these links here. And these links here should usually, this is the coarse adjustment on the pitch. You usually don't want to touch that. These are set again to the manual specification. You set those, make sure they're both the same. This one is a little bit longer than this one.
Yeah, some reason it ended up that way. I don't know.
Yeah. I'd like to know the distance on these as well. So
Is it
maybe
ball?
these are a little bit different.
Oh, that's effective.
I got a caliper if you want.
Yeah, you got to set a caliper.
It's the center of this right in there to this one.
Well, you can do that. I mean,
Is that
it's a
where,
little bit.
when they give you that dimension? Is that the dimension that you're
No,
shooting
they usually give you a dimension, edge of the link to edge of the link. It's really hard to measure center of the link to center of the link.
Yeah.
You really, it's easier to measure edge of plastic to edge of plastic.
Okay.
Another way, like if you want to
I'm
go
not sure
center to
that's true on
center of the
Raptors.
balls, you just go on the edge of one hole to the top of the other hole, and that'll give you your center to center.
Yeah, but then again, you got to make sure
Yeah,
you're
you
at
gotta-
the true edge.
yeah.
I mean, you got a round hole there.
No, on the inside. I'm talking about the inside.
That's what I'm talking about
Yeah.
too. You got a round hole.
Oh,
You gotta
yeah,
make,
but it's,
I mean, you could be
it's
a
fairly
couple
easy to see
millimeters
that.
off or a millimeter off
If you're not at
You,
the
you could see that.
if you're not at the very peak of the hole. So it's going to be much more.
I guess I'm used to measuring, so.
I
Doesn't
thought
seem
that
hard to
the
me, but
I
might
thought the
be for some
Raptor
people.
manuals actually gave it whole center to whole center.
That's what I thought mine.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
They have
T-Rex does the same thing.
They have two different now. And the T-Rex. It's two different. They show two different ways of making it.
T-Rex has 3 different ways.
You just yard those off and there's no problem. It doesn't hurt it
What's that?
to just yard that off when you get it loose.
Shard it off.
Yard it off.
Oh no, it doesn't hurt at all. Okay, so both these pitch lengths, we've got